Scanning the far-flung outposts of our global battlefronts, fully aware of the importance of their individual responsibilities, the sentinels of our outermost frontiers stand their lonely vigils with quiet courage and cheerful devotion to duty.
249 days in this godforsaken hole. 249 days!
HQ to NIX. HQ to NIX. Your 249th request for transfer is herewith denied. That is all.
Phooey. Everybody gets to get into the scrap but me. Come on, get the lead out, sad sack.
I'm in the mood for love, simply because you're near me. Funny, but when you're near me, I'm in the mood for love. Heaven is in.
That's insubordination. I could break you for that. Scream.
Bright as the stars we're under.
What's this? Pickled fish eyes with rice? P.U. Take this thing out and bury it. Let's see. Where was it?
Together.
Station 2 to HQ. Jep Task Force passing reference point 9.
Station 3 to HQ. Jep Task Force passing reference point 10. Sorry, gentlemen, our observation posts have lost contact with the enemy fleet. That is all.
HQ calling all stations. Rush today's complete observation reports. Omit nothing. Urgent, 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 urgent.
A complete report, huh? Okay. Here in a nutshell is the sensational events of the day. At precisely 05:47 a.m. in the morning, the sun rose. At 06:13, the tide came in. At 06:18, the tide went out. Until 1200 o'clock, the proverbial tropical sunshine. At 12:09, relief in the form of rain. At 14:44, in floats a tin can labeled fish eyes with rice.
Pickled fish eyes with rice?
That is all.
If there's a cloud above.
HQ to NIX. HQ to NIX. Confirm report on tin can. Rush detailed description. This is important. HQ to NIX. HQ to NIX. What's keeping you? What's holding up that report? Urgent. Urgent.
Keep your shirt on. Urgent, urgent, urgent. Hey, Featherpuss. Maybe you swept it under the rug. Okay, get ready for the devastating news. It's just an ordinary tin can labeled pickled fish eyes with rice. And, wrote on the bottom, it says Honorable K Ration, Imperial Japanese Navy. Pickled fish eyes with rice. I don't get it. Wouldn't Don't you think they could find something important for me to do in this here army?